Alright, what's in our mystery box today? Let's see, a paper plate, markers, and a Clothespin. I know what this is. We're making a chomping shark. Let's get crafting. First, fold your paper plate right in half. Give it a good crease. Now, carefully cut along that fold. You'll have to perfect shark jaws. Time to decorate. Use your blue marker for the skin and a black one for a big beady eye. And don't forget the most important part, the teeth. Draw some jagged triangles along the straight edge. Chomp, chomp. Here's the secret trick. Grab your Clothespin. Glue the top half of the plate to the top of the pin and the bottom half to the bottom. A glue stick works great so you don't have to wait. Now give it a squeeze. Look at that. He's hungry. Chomp, chomp, chomp. An awesome, snack-sized craft complete. Let me know what you think in the comments.